While in the vicinity of Caesarea Philippi, the Savior revealed to his disciples what he would suffer at the hands of the elders, chief priests, and scribes in Jerusalem. He specifically taught them about his death and glorious resurrection. To help his disciples to understand that devotion to his work includes submission and suffering, the Savior emphatically declared, "If any man will come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me." We all face adverse circumstances in our lives. I testify to you that following our Master's footsteps and waiting on him, who is the ultimate healer of our lives, will provide rest to our souls and make our burdens easy and light.